Good morning. Welcome to your daily crypto news and analysis. I am the Crypto Duck, and this is my shitty life. The show's brought to you by BYBIT Exchange and the Diamond Hands Network. So, there you have it. So, look, yet again, Twitter, Facebook, all the socials are awash with negativity. People are saying, oh, we're going down to 8. Oh, fuck off. I'm not that negative. Right, Bitcoin. It's sat on 22,409, which is down 0.1%. The CME gap was 22,420, so we knew exactly where we were going to start Monday morning, and it's basically exactly where we are. What am I aiming for today? Well, we're going to be watching closely because we don't know whether it's going to move up or down. It's too early to tell and everything's far too in the middle-ish. The key points I'm looking for are 22,800 for a move in the positive direction. If we clear 22,800, the next stop will be 23. So that's my upwards aim for the day. Fingers crossed we'll have that positive bounce. On the negative side, we're looking really for 22k. If we see it breach 22k, it looks like it's going in that direction. But there's a huge liquidity wall at 21,500, which should be very difficult to cross. If it goes past 21,500, then we are in holy deep shit. And in that case, I would say, you know, there's a mega support at like 18.5, which is very unlikely to be breached. But, you know, let's just hope we don't go by 21,500. I should imagine worst case, if we go that direction, we would bounce quite heavily at 21,500 regardless. We'll have to wait and see for the long-term oomph. Ethereum is sat on 1568, which is down 0.2%. Obviously, that is just going to follow in the steps of Bitcoin. So we're waiting to see, you know, which direction we are going. As we go through the week, we do have the Fed testimony on Tuesday and then a Fed speech on Wednesday. We are expecting further rate increases, possibly 50 bits. So we'll be looking for that. And then at the end of the week, there is employment data coming out. So it's quite a report-heavy week, this one. BNB sat on 284 and it's down 2.3%, just following in line with the others. Biggest winner for the last 24 hours is SNX, which is up 4%. Nothing really worth mentioning. And the biggest loser is AGIX, which is just corrected by 7%. Again, not even worth sweating over, is it? It's a pretty small amount. Right. News-wise, lead SHIB developer has basically said there's so much crap coming on Shibarium that he's not going to follow any more projects. And the reason he's saying that is simply because he doesn't want the risk of talking about one for it to go pop and then everyone have a go at him. He's made it very clear you have to do your own research. Do your own ducking research, alright? Fuck's sake, it's not fucking rocket science, is it? DigiFT Dex has managed to raise 10.5 million in a pre-level scale of funding from VC, so that was very good for them. Yeah, I mean, I'm always happy to see other dexes in the out there. Binance again is in hot water as texts and documents around a plan to avoid American regulations come to light. Yeah, I mean, who can blame them? Of course they're going to try to avoid their stupid regulations. I mean, you know, you can almost forgive crypto for pulling out of the States entirely, couldn't you, at this point? PancakeSwap V3 is due in April, released on the BNB Smart Chain. Kraken is still on course and intends to launch a bank. Now, this is despite all the regulatory changes in the field, so that could be very, very good. At a time when banks are very much again seeing crypto as the enemy and doing everything that they legally can to stop people using it, it would be very nice to have a crypto-based bank in there, in the field, so to speak. DeFi, I mean, I'm bullish on DeFi, but there were 7 DeFi hacks in February, which saw a total of 21 million stolen. Now, 4 million of that was recovered, but I mean, regardless, that's a hell of a lot still to be going missing in exploits. More time needs to be taken, I think, severely. Overall, digital investments saw 17 million in outflows last week. So this is the 4th week on the trot of negative sentiment on that front. So not great. BYBIT has suspended American bank deposits, and it is going to suspend withdrawals from the 10th. So any American customers out there who wants to have their hands on their cash, now's the time to grab it. So I say again, it's already suspended deposits, but it's going to, this is USD deposits obviously, but it's going to suspend withdrawals from the 10th. This is all because of the ongoing banking saga. So they will probably have that sorted before too long, I would imagine. So that's it. That's your Monday. Congratulations, you've made it. Have a good one, and I'll catch you tomorrow morning.
All things crypto by a duck life. See you next time.